What's up, guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Today we're gonna do this look. We're gonna do the no makeup look with the red lip. Let's make it pop. Hey guys, if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, what'd do? So basically, today we're going to get into this no makeup look. We're going to do the no makeup with popping a lip. Don't you see it pop? Don't you see it pop? Let's go. Okay, guys. So today I'm just doing a natural face. I'm going to call it the no makeup look. Because I'm not doing any eyeshadow. Just concealer and maybe a red lip. We're going to see how that comes out. So now, since I did my eyebrows, prepped my eyes, I'm just going to go into those two concealers, Deep Caramel and Deep Chestnut, and I'm going to apply those. Okay, so we're going to take that damp beauty blender and we're going to go in and push this in. Pat, push, pat, push. So before I go in and blend the inner corners out, I forgot to do my wing. Let's go back. So since I did one wing, I have the other one already set to complete. I'm just going to go in and pat this in so we won't lose it. Or so it won't dry and get patchy. Yuck. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that Too Faced Born This Way foundation. With that Holy Grail brush, Juvia's Place. And we about to, you know. I'm going to go back in with that eyeliner and see if I can finish this wing. Just waiting for this to go ahead and matte down. Now we're about to go in with that beauty blender and we're gonna spread this up. Okay, now we have to go in and set everything. So we're gonna, of course, start with that Anastasia banana powder. Go into it, dab it, and place it right under that eye. First, we're going to contour. Then we're going to go into that air spun and carve that contour out. Let's go in with Juvia's Place Sokoto. We're going to get our Insta Pop cheek brush from Real Techniques. Pat, push, pat, push. That's the motion. Now I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's mascara. Y'all know this the holy grail right now. Okay. Now we're going to go in and dust the rest of that powder off, and then we're going to bronze. We're going to spray first to set it, then we're going to bronze. Now I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakeries set and spray and just spray that face. Okay, so now we're going to go in with that bronzer, which is Caramel Cutie by Fenty Beauty. And we're going to just go ahead on and bring this face back to its color. go in and apply the lashes. Now I'm going to go in and line my lips with the KKW Beauty Nude 3. And this look is almost finished. Now we're going to go in with the crayon case is Murder Matte, and we're going to apply that to the lips. Okay guys, so I went in, applied my nose, did the lip, did the eyes. Everything's completed. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the finishing look. I hope you all love it because I definitely love it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Bye!